Today we're going to look at the SEO world. SEO stands for search engine optimization, and the two most used search engines in the world are Google and Bing. So, what's the best way to do well on search engines? Tip number 1, put your readers first. Become an expert on a specific category by focusing on a few topics and writing every day about them. Writing insightful, unique, and original stories will earn you a high reputation among your users. Additionally, search engines will recognize your expertise and authority and will give your content a higher visibility. To help everyone know that you are an authoritative source of information, link your LinkedIn profile to your Blaster page. Here's how it's done. First of all, grab the link of your Blaster page by logging into Blasting News, then clicking your name and then profile. Copy this link. Then open your LinkedIn profile, click on Contact Info, add the URL of your Blaster page under the label Websites. Searching for inspiration? Check out the Hot Trends tools on the dashboard of the Blasting News writing platform. It will give you plenty of suggestions, which are updated every 20 minutes. Tip number 2, choose the main keyword for your article. After you've chosen the topic you wish to write about, you should decide what is the main keyword of your article. The main keyword should give the reader a quick understanding of what's the key focus of your article, and you should use it in the title, subtitle, and subheaders inside the article. Main keywords can be made up of one or more words. Not sure which keyword to pick? Follow these tips. 1, go to the Google homepage. 2, write on the Google search bar the generic topic of your article, for example, MBA. 3, while you are typing, Google will suggest you some specific keywords that you can also find at the end of the result page if you choose to run the full search. Pick one of these keywords suggested by Google for your main keyword. For example, you decide to write an article about yesterday's NBA game. What is your main keyword? It could be NBA results, or NBA yesterday scores, or Cleveland vs. Golden Gate. Tip number 3, start the title of your article with the main keyword. For example, if your main keyword is NBA trade rumors, a good title would be NBA trade rumors, DeMarcus Cousins and John Wall are going to the Celtics. On the other hand, if your main keyword is DeMarcus Cousins, a good title would be DeMarcus Cousins is on his way to the Celtics, NBA trade rumors say. Everyone's reading their news on mobile devices these days, and they have no time to waste. So you want to create titles that grab their attention. Make sure that your title is informative and relevant to the content. Don't go for tricky headlines, as they are counterproductive. Search engines will punish you if the readers land on your article and don't read any of it. Tip number 4, include subheadings in your articles. Each subheadline should be short and descriptive, and start with the main keyword of your article. Readers won't give you a second chance. As soon as they land on your article, they will quickly scroll before reading to check if there is anything they really care about. To make sure you grab their attention, it's good to create between 2 and 4 subheadings per article. Tip number 5, place the best internal links inside your article. Placing a linking to other related articles published on Blasting News is one of the most important ways to create value for your readers, and search engines extensively appreciate it. Place at least 2 links inside your article, making sure to point to other related articles published on Blasting News, so that your readers will get more information about the topic. And to carefully choose the anchor text of your links, keeping it informative, and if possible, include the main keyword of your article in the link. We understand that the research of related articles and the assessment of the best anchor text may take some time, but both the readers and search engines will give a premium because of it. These are some of the most important tips we have found so far to make your readers and search engines more likely to like your articles. Remember, it will take some time to get readers and search engines to notice you. So keep on trying and don't give up if you don't see results at the very beginning.